Hello and welcome back to Showbiz Asia. This video is about South Korean singer, actor and dancer Park Hyun-sik. Park Hyun-sik marked his comeback after he was discharged from military with happiness opposite Han Hyo-jo. He is studying business administration at Digital Seoul Culture Arts University. He has an elder brother who is 2 years older than him. On October 12, industry representatives reported that Park Hyun-sik left United Artists Agency and moved to the new agency P&N Studio, which was established together with his managers who he has been with since ZE activities. Park Hyun-sik began his mandatory military service on June 10, 2019. He entered the Nonsan Army Recruit Training Center to start his basic military training and completed the rest of his military duties in the Military Police Department of the Capital Defense Command as an active duty soldier. Park was officially discharged from military service on January 4, 2021. On January 7, 2010, Park debuted as a member of South Korean boy band ZEA. In March 2013, Park, along with his fellow ZEA members Siwon, Kevin, Minwoo, and Dongjun, formed the group's first subunit called ZEA5. Park Hyun-sik, along with his 4 other friends, has a friends group known as Wooga Squad. The Wooga Squad includes Korean stars like Park Sejun, Park Hyun-sik, BTS V, Parasite star Choi Woo-sik, and Big Boy. While V, Park Sejun, and Park Hyun-sik became friends when they worked in the K-drama Hwarang, the Poet Warrior Youth, Park Sejun introduced the duo to his other friends Choi Woo-sik and Big Boy. Today the group is identified as Wooga Squad. They are not related by blood, they are as close as real-life brothers. They openly support each other, attend group holidays, and fulfill squad goals. Park Hyun-sik does not have a girlfriend since his debut. Park Hyun-sik rumored to be dating with his co-star from Strong Woman Do Bong-sun, Park Bo-young. Because of their strong connection in Strong Woman Do Bong-sun, many speculated that the two might be dating in real life. Even some of the drama staff were amazed by their closeness. After being involved in dating issues, Park Hyun-sik finally spoke up and confessed that Park Bo-young is a close colleague and no romantic relationship is attached to them. Park Hyun-sik began his acting career in 2012, starring in SBS special drama I Remember You. The same year, he starred in SBS Dummy Mummy, where he played a vocalist of an indie band. In August 2014, Park joined the main cast of the family drama What's With This Family as Cha Dal-bong, the youngest child who is struggling with finding a stable job. In 2015, Park was part of the main cast in SBS romantic drama High Society, where he played the role of a chaebol who falls for a part-timer at the gourmet supermarket he manages. Park drew favorable reviews for his performance in the series, which led to increased popularity for the actor in Japan. In December 2016, he starred in the historical drama Hwarang, the Poet Warrior Youth. In February 2017, Park starred in his first leading role in cable network JTBC's Strong Girl Bong-sun, playing the CEO of a game company, Ainsoft. The romantic comedy with Park Bo-young was a critical and commercial success and became one of the highest rated Korean dramas in cable television history. Park experienced a rise in popularity and received increased endorsement offers. In December 2017, he starred in a romantic short film, Two Rays of Light, alongside Han Ji-min. Park Hyun-sik got his first award in contemporary category in 2015 at A Awards. Then, the role in Juror 8 won him the Best New Actor award at the 39th Korean Association of Film Critics Awards in November 2019. The role also earned him nominations for Best New Actor at the 40th Blue Dragon Film Awards and 56th Baeksang Arts Award. In 2014, Park won Best New Actor for What's With This Family and Best Couple Award with Nam Ji-hoon for What's With This Family. He also won Best Couple Award with Park Bo-young for Stronggal Bong-soon. In 2015, he was ranked 30th in Forbes Korea Power Celebrity. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Take care.